Are you saying that we should pass vote of confidence to the governor of Rivers State? I want to hear again the echo. You never enter my ear. Based on what we have gathered, what we have collected, all the things you have said here, are you saying that we should pass vote of confidence to the governor? Are you saying that I should tell him that he should not listen to that directive given by Villa? I should tell him so? Okay, having given me the impetus, the audacity, and the go-ahead, I will now proceed and reveal to the world what we unanimously agreed, that SYM should be given proper confidence in the government area. Not so. Christmas more than enough. We are coming back here. So, why a communique issued at the end of OGBUGBOLO local government political stakeholders meeting held on Thursday, which is today, 21st December 2023, in Oguta here. After a very interactive session of the issues involved, the meeting resolved as follows. We condemned in very strong terms the recent attempt to impeach the executive governor of Rivers State, Sir Joseph Fubara, GSS, the governor of Rivers State, barely 6 months in office, without any cogent and verifiable reasons that constitute gross misconduct by the governor. We condemned the bombing and burning of the adult chambers of the Rivers State House of Assembly, the attack on the person of the governor by some security personnel on Monday, 30th October 2023, and another act of impunity and lawlessness, which presents great danger to the peace and security of the state. We commend our amiable governor, Sir Joseph Fubara, GSS, the governor of Rivers State, for his matured approach in handling the deliberate and provocable actions of enemies of the state in the conflict crisis in Rivers State. We commend the governor for his prompt action in the renovation of the entire assembly complex due to negative integrity report of the structure. We also commend the governor for his prompt presentation of the 2024 appropriation bill to the legally constituted Rivers State House of Assembly, headed by the Speaker, Right Honorable Edison Eyere, PhD. We commend the Speaker, Right Honorable Edison Eyere, PhD, and the members of Rivers State House of Assembly for their subsequent deliberations and prompt passage of the bill. We also commend the governor for promptly signing the bill into law, which is a clear indication of interest in the welfare of the people of the Rivers State. We commend the Speaker and his colleagues for complying with the provisions of the Constitution in declaring vacant the seat of the 25 lawmakers who recently defected to All Progressive Congress, APC. In line with Section 109, Sub 1G of the Constitution 1999, as amended, says that a member of a House of Assembly shall vacate his seat in the House if he, being a person whose election to the House of Assembly was sponsored by a political party and he becomes a member of another political party before the expiration of the period for which that person was elected, provided there is no division in the political party that sponsored him. Having become non-members of the River State House of Assembly, we call on the governor to immediately eject them from the Assembly residential quarters because they are no longer members of the River State House of Assembly. We condemn in strong terms the judicial rascality of the Federal High Court, Abuja, presided over by Justice Donatus Ogoro, who gave a ruling on Monday, 18 December 2023, on an ex parte application secretly filed by 25 pro-Wike former lawmakers, wanting to stop the declaration of their seat vacant on an action which has already been taking place since 13 December 2023. What has been done cannot be undone. It has been done already. The aim is to give them legitimacy to move into the assembly complex or residential quarters with security protection and commence another illegal impeachment attempt on the governor of Rivers State. We also condemned in very strong terms the purported directives of Mr. President for the resolution of the political impasse in Rivers State. To say the least, the directives are not only one-sided, but also repugnant to natural justice, equity, and fairness. As all the 8 points raised in the purported directives are all issues of constitution and the law, and have all been addressed in the competent court of law. Therefore, we urge everybody not to take the so-called directives seriously, as they do not have the face of law, but mere witches of one man, Chief Wike. We call on all well-meaning citizens of Rivers State to rise up, be vigilant, salvage the soul of Rivers State by resisting the tyranny of one man. Rivers State and never a conquered people. We also appeal to all the security agencies to be neutral in the discharge of their duties in order not to worsen the already tense security situation in the state. Now, on behalf of the entire OGBUGBOLO local government area, we hereby pass a vote of confidence on our amiable governor, Your Excellency, Sir Senalaye Joseph Fubara, GSSROS, for not losing focus despite various forms of distractions and for still maintaining the promise of delivering the dividend of democracy to the good people of Rivers State. And we have moved, and so moved, that he, as we have our mandate, he should continue that we have his back. We also commend the governor for providing Christmas bonus of 100,000 naira each to all civil servants in Rivers State, being the first of its kind in the state and Nigeria at large. Finally, we call on all well-meaning citizens of the state to support the government to enable him deliver the dividend of democracy to our people as he had promised. Thank you for your presence. Thank you for your contribution, and may God bless all of us.
My name is Barrister Chris Etamnala, member OGBUGBOLO, stakeholder, SYMFONI. We have read a communique. The content of the said communique represents the thought of the people of OGBUGBOLO, the people of SYMFONI. We hereby adopt same as our own thoughts and hereby move that motion that no other governor in Rivers State, Sim is the governor and he has the backing of OGBUGBOLO SYMFONI to carry on his mandate in accordance to the rules and regulations of the Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria. So let it be. In all that I support, say aye.
Okay, we have a motion seconded that will now be
Funded. Go 2 ways.
So the governor to eject them from the residential quarters.
Thanks for checking out SYMFONI on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.